You watched and heard what Mallikarjun Kharge said, but there is a controversy that's breaking out after Mallikarjun Kharge said, "Main marunga nahi." Now, Home Minister Amit Shah has responded. He's taken aim at Mallikarjun Kharge and he's asking him this question over the remarks he made when his health was in fact deteriorating and when there were people who came across to give him support. Let's go across to Meenakshi, who's joining us from the newsroom. That very moment, and the words used by Mallikarjun Kharge when his health was deteriorating, when he said that मैं 83 का हूँ, इतनी जल्दी मैं मरूंगा नहीं, I will ensure that Narendra Modi is removed. These remarks are now triggering sharp responses from the top leadership in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Take us through what Home Minister Amit Shah is saying, Meenakshi.
Absolutely, Sagrika. As you rightly said, the remarks by Mallikarjun Kharge that has escalated into a massive political controversy and a reaction. In fact, an attack has come from the side of none other than the Home Minister Amit Shah himself, and this is the entire tweet. We'll be reading it out for the benefit of our viewers, and I'm reading it verbatim. Amit Shah has hit out at Mallikarjun Kharge and said, quote unquote, yesterday the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge has outperformed himself. His leaders and his party is being in absolutely disgraceful and distasteful in his speech. In a bitter display of spite, he unnecessarily dragged the Prime Minister into his personal health matters by saying that he would die only after removing the PM from power. It just shows how much hate and fear these Congress people have of PM Modi, that they are thinking of him constantly. As for the health of Mr. Kharge ji, Modi ji prays. I pray, and we all pray that he lives long, healthy life. May he continue to live for many years, and may he live to see the creation of a Viksit Bharat by 2047. So that's a type of sharp retort which has come from the side of Amit Shah. And also it must be noted, Sagrika, that the Prime Minister himself had inquired about Mallikarjun Kharge's health. And in the backdrop of all of this, the statement by Mallikarjun Kharge, I'm 83, won't die before defeating the Prime Minister, that has been picked up by Amit Shah, top leadership of the BJP, who are attacking the Congress over the same.
Absolutely. But for the benefit of our viewers, let's once again play out that clip from Mallikarjun Kharge's rally in Jammu and Kashmir and the remarks he made. These are the remarks that have today triggered sharp responses. Let's listen into what Mallikarjun Kharge said.
स्टेटहुड का तो मैं बोला हूँ, स्टेटहुड जरूर देंगे और उसके लिए हम जरूर लड़ेंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो। मैं ऐसा ही छोड़ने वाला नहीं। अब मेरे को तो 83 इयर्स चल रहे, इतना जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूँ। जब तक मोदी को नहीं हटाएंगे तब तक मैं जिंदा ही रहूँगा, आपकी बात सुनूंगा, आपके लिए लड़ूंगा।
मैं 83 सालों का हूं, जब तक मोदी को नहीं हटाएंगे मैं मरूंगा नहीं. Now these remarks by Mallikarjun Kharge from that stage in Jammu and Kashmir during his rally, they've triggered sharp responses, Pragya. The Bharatiya Janata Party, especially Home Minister Amit Shah, has pointed out the brand of Congress Party's politics while criticizing what the Congress president said. Take us through the latest responses.
Well, we know that there are elections going on in Jammu and Kashmir and political parties attack each other. But this one has went on to a new level, a very low level indeed, I would say. And many of the BJP leaders have come out saying that this was totally unnecessarily. In fact, Prime Minister is known to be very sensitive about the health of leaders across party lines and also extended help whenever necessary. And he has always inquired into health of each of them, irrespective of the political lines. And this is a general political courtesy, and also a courtesy because you get to meet each other and you have to work in a system where you're working for the country as well. So this is a general courtesy that Prime Minister extended to Mallikarjun Kharge after knowing that he is unwell. He only inquired about his health. This is all. But the kind of language that we had seen from Congress President saying that I won't die till I remove Prime Minister Narendra Modi from power, this is truly like Mr. Amit Shah has said on a social media platform. Right. This is truly distasteful because, BJP has always been alleging on Congress that Congress is always thinking about Prime Minister and how to demean Prime Minister and how to attack him personally and also wishing him death and everything else.
Pragya, do stay with us because we have